the most dangerous animals in the world, surviving deadly encounters. From the smallest insects and worms to the largest blue whale, the various types of animals alive on Earth have distinct characteristics that make them stand out from each other. Being deadly to not only humans but also the other species of animals around them, some animals can be categorized as the most dangerous animals in the world. And this is a guide to enlighten yourself with the knowledge of what animals to avoid in the wild and in your own garden. Welcome to Amazed. If you're curious about everything in this world, this is the place to be. Subscribe and click on the bell icon if you're interested. Animals can be deadly either because of the diseases they carry or their poisonous nature, or because of their sizes and aggressiveness. Here's a list of the most dangerous animals known to humans. To begin our list, we have a really small candidate: mosquitoes. Don't be fooled by the size. They are the cause of the biggest number of human deaths per year. Around 1 million human deaths are caused by the diseases like dengue fever, malaria, and Zika virus, which are fatal for humans and are carried by mosquitoes. More than half of those deaths are due to malaria alone. Did you know around 110 trillion mosquitoes are out there? But fortunately, only the female mosquitoes feed on us humans. Another little fact about mosquitoes is that scientists have claimed approximately half of the deaths of humankind since we started existing could have been caused by these little insects. Next up on the list, we have snakes. Maybe there are valid reasons why people develop ophidiophobia, because over 100,000 deaths are caused by snake bites. While many large snakes like anacondas and boa constrictors are also fatal on encounter, venomous snakes like the Indian cobra, the Indian slow-scaled viper, and the inland taipan are the cause of more deaths. Shortage of any venom and most venomous snakes inhabiting more rural areas result in the number of deaths going high. Most of these snakes are only attacking if provoked. So, being careful around them is up to us. Dogs, one of the friendliest creatures on Earth, also cause a huge number of deaths worldwide. Well, this is largely because of rabies infections caused by dogs that are not correctly vaccinated. Over 40,000 deaths occur as a result of rabies virus annually. Compared to this, the deaths caused by direct attacks by dogs or packs of wolves are immensely rare. Rabies is transmitted by dog bites. So, it's a responsibility of us alone to vaccinate them right and show kindness to those lone dogs without shelter. Snails could be fatal to as slow as they are. Freshwater snails don't directly cause harm to humans. They are another transmitter of a fatal disease. The disease they transmit is called schistosomiasis. It is a parasitic infection that could be fatal to a couple of hundred of infections among the several million that are diagnosed every year. The infected people experience severe abdominal pains and bleeding with urine. However, this is fatal because of the lack of proper medical care in some regions of the world. Crocodiles could be dangerous to any other animal species as well as to humans, as they are large and aggressive towards their prey. They are considered one of the deadliest animals in the world because of their special physical features. With a weight of over 2,000 pounds, they are fast and strong. Despite their size, they are able to travel at a speed of around 25 miles per hour. Crocodiles actively prey on humans, and the number of deaths caused by them a year lie between 1,000 and 5,000. Among all the crocodile species, the Nile crocodile residing in the River Nile is the deadliest. There are many folk tales about these crocodiles featuring ancient Egyptians. Over 150 species of insects with a curved proboscis are collectively called the assassin bug. They are rather popular as kissing bugs because they bite on humans on the soft tissues around the mouth near the lips while they sleep. While their bite is unusually painful, it is not particularly threatening. However, a dangerous disease named Chagas disease is transmitted to a number of species inhabiting Central and South America. This parasitic infection could cause organ failure and eventually death. While mortality rates are low, Chagas disease can be widespread. Just like many other insects, Tsetse flies aren't causing anything with their bite, but its infection can be fatal. These tsetse flies can be found in the tropical areas of Africa. The African sleeping sickness is caused by the parasite that is infected by the bite. The disease is difficult to be treated as proper medical resources are difficult to find in the region. The amount of death exceeds 10,000 a year. The hippopotamus is the next predator on the list. While they rank as the third largest animal on land, they are more dangerous than the other two species, namely elephants and rhinoceros, because of their violent and aggressive behavior as well as their territorial nature, especially in water. While they are herbivorous, they don't hesitate to attack people who stray too close to their territory. They are known to attack boats that trespass on their habitats. They would trample and hold till their prey would drown or drag them into lakes. They are fast, about 30 kilometers per hour, and have very sharp teeth. So, it's always wise to stay away from their habitat. Well, if hippos have a spot in this list, so should elephants, and yes, they are one of the most dangerous animals in the world. While they are considered a highly intelligent animals, they are also the largest land animal on Earth. That means with their weight comes a power that is harmful. With their intelligence, they also harbor some complex human emotions that make them protective over their family. And people are slowly occupying their habitats, leaving them with no choice but to retaliate somehow. So, many encounters with elephants end up with humans getting thrown or crushed. Approximately 500 deaths caused by elephants are reported annually. Next on the list, we have a sea creature, sharks. You might have seen many movies made about dangerous sharks. However, the number of deaths caused by sharks a year is rather low, even below 10. Despite that, several hundred shark attacks are reported worldwide. 12 of the identified shark species are considered dangerous among the 375 and up sharks in the world. Among these species, the bull shark, the tiger shark, and the great white shark cause the highest percentage of attacks. Nevertheless, getting into a fatal shark attack has only a 1 in a several million chances. As long as you don't sail around areas infested with sharks, you might be safe. Keeping the theme in the ocean, next is box jellyfish. It is the most venomous sea creature and is native to the Indo-Pacific Ocean. Box jellyfish are creatures with transparent bodies and take the shape of a cube with 12 tentacles. Lengthwise, they could grow up to about 10 feet. They carry the toxins in their tentacles, which are made of nematocysts. When a box jellyfish stings, their venom affects the heart and the nervous system. This puts the victim in a sort of paralyzed state, and they hardly ever make it to the shore. That's how this eye-catching creature ends up causing 20 to 40 human deaths a year. While there are fairy tales about kissing frogs, you should never try to kiss a golden poison dart frog. Unless you want to end up a corpse, that is. They have enough poison to kill 10 people at the same time in their brightly colored skins. Once their venom is ingested, it causes nerves to fail, and that will ultimately lead to a fatal heart attack. This frog species is native to Colombian rainforests. The native Embera people were known to use the golden poison dart frog's venom in their arrows. However, these frogs are currently on the list of endangered species. Spiders are a species of animal that many develop phobias. Some species are truly scary. The Brazilian wandering spider is a special kind of spider. They have a different hunting behavior from other spiders who weave a web and capture their victims. They don't wait. They wander around the forest floor in the dark and ambush their prey or just directly attack them. When they bite, it can cause the victim to sweat excessively, drool, and have an arrhythmia, pain, and eventually death. In the daytime, they hide under logs, and they actively hunt at night, and they are extremely aggressive. With this strange spider, the list comes to an end. While most of these animals are highly dangerous, almost all of them only attack when they are provoked or when people invade their territories. So, it's always up to us to be careful. As the saying goes, live and let live. That is how you protect yourself and these spectacular creatures. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to Amazed. Thank you for watching.